So it's a demonstration video just to explain to guys how to install the wiper motor assembly for freightliner Century in Colombia from 2004 going up to newer. When taking it off, old one, you have one mounting ball here, and there. You mount it to the truck, connect the power first, run the wipers on and off position, just to turn on and to set wiper motor to the right spot. Sometimes from factory they don't always come assembled to connect it here the right way, but the main thing is this linkage. Kind of, if you look, you need look in a straight line pretty much, okay, almost to the dead point to the right, okay. Need be then mounted. You see how does it look like on this side? So the height is pretty much from this. When you look from top, it should be kind of even with the center of this bolt. So that gives you reference point. It's good to mount, okay, to put the wiper arms on, because sometimes when you assemble, don't put the wiper arms to the windshield because they may go down or maybe go too far up. First, you turn the wiper motor on, set the motor to the spot. If you see this is off, you have to adjust to proper, estimated proper line, straight. You see how this is kind of to the right all the way. You see, if you measure about with the caliper, just to give kind of idea on nearest point, should be about what was, okay, we're here about inch, a little bit more, yeah. And then you can mount wiper arms. We'll make addition video how to take them on, how to put them on, because a lot of guys don't understand. So